Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my goodness, it's a drone. Sorry, Mr. David, it went out of control. Oh, looks like flying machines are also getting hacked. To find out more, here's today's guest, Bob Query. So, why are these drones suddenly dropping out of the sky? The aqua goggles used for the FPV drones suddenly stopped working. The ransomware sabotages the bootloader and causes daytime confusion.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock!
That might explain many things. Moving forward, what's next on the docket? Google kicked the old security lock sign like a bad habit. The usage of lock signs by malicious sites is escalating, creates lots of confusion.
It's not what it looks like.
It's no wonder I got scammed so much. I know, David. Let's move to the next story. Hackers are exploiting the unpatched TBK DVR devices. The attackers can perform surveillance as the devices were used in sensitive locations.
How long does it take to deliver a pizza?
This is turning out to be not good. Anything else? The Royal Ransomware Group shut down the IT service system of Dallas.
By corporate media to do one thing and one thing only. Jesus. To keep you living in fear.
Multiple departments were affected, including the Dallas County Police Department. These groups are doing nasty work. Thank you, Bob. Can you pass the J? Sure, but this is pretty strong stuff. You better be... Oh, enough of that nonsense. You should have seen the stuff back in my day. What did I tell you? We need an ambulance. Somebody get an ambulance.